Hi everyone. Today I will be going to show you how we can decompile the dot class file to the Java source code. So I have just taken one small example of the string reversal just for an example. So here you can see that I have dot class file for the string reversal class present. So I will decompile the class file with the help of Jadx decompiler. So for that one, what we need to do, we will just quickly go to the project settings, and from there you can go to the plugins, and then you need to search for Jadx decompiler. So we need to quickly install that one if it's not installed already, and then you just need to click the restart IDE. So it will just restart the IDE quickly, and then the next thing is we have to go to the tools. You can go to the tools, and here you will see the option for the Jadx GUI. You can click on that one, and then the GUI will be launched, and you as from you can change the path from here from the top by navigating on different buttons, going one level up or down, whatever, to the directory where your class files are located. For me, it's just one class file, so I will just click that one and click open file. And in the GUI, the package or the class will be opened. And when we will click, we will see that the original Java code is present there. So that's how we actually decompile the class files. So you can also do similar for the package. If you have big project, you just need to specify the path for the package here rather than the class, and then it will decompile whole source code. I hope the video was helpful for you. So keep watching. Thank you.